Get ready to have your mind blown. We're counting down the countries where one person's wallet is worth more than most people's entire homes. And the leader of the pack is a real game changer, with a staggering $256,799.90 per person. Let's take a look at the top of the list, where Monaco takes the crown with an astonishing $256,799.9 per person. Coming in second is Liechtenstein with $206,780.6, and Luxembourg follows closely behind with $133,230.6. Bermuda rounds out the top four with $132,961.8, while Ireland brings up the rear at $106,818.9. What's striking here is that these tiny countries are dominating the list, showing us just how wealth can concentrate in small but prosperous nations. Here's a look at Monaco, where each person has an average annual income of $256,799.90. This staggering figure makes Monaco one of the richest countries per capita in the world. Its tiny size and strong financial sector contribute to this impressive number, making it a hub for wealth and prosperity. Here's a look at Liechtenstein, where each person has an average annual income of $206,781. This tiny European country is one of the richest per capita in the world, thanks to its thriving financial sector and strong economy. Its high standard of living makes it a desirable place to live for many people around the globe. Here's a look at Luxembourg, where the average person has an astonishing $133,231 to their name. This is one of the highest per capita GDPs in the world, making it a haven for wealth and prosperity. It's no wonder that Luxembourg is consistently ranked as one of the richest countries on the planet. Here's a look at Bermuda, where the average person has an impressive $132,961.80 to their name. This puts Bermuda in the top tier of countries by per capita GDP, making it one of the wealthiest places on Earth. It's worth noting that this figure is significantly higher than many other developed nations, highlighting Bermuda's unique economic status. Here's a look at Ireland, where each person has an average annual income of $106,819. This puts Ireland in a very exclusive club, ranking among the top countries globally when it comes to per capita GDP. It's worth noting that this figure is significantly higher than many other developed economies around the world. Let's take a look at the top 3 richest countries per person. Monaco takes the lead with an impressive $256,799.90, followed closely by Liechtenstein at $206,780.60, and Luxembourg at $133,230.60. These numbers show that when it comes to individual wealth, these tiny nations are truly leading the pack. Now that we've crunched the numbers, it's time to see who comes out on top. Monaco takes the crown with a whopping $256,799.90 per person, followed closely by Liechtenstein at $206,780.60 and Luxembourg at $133,230.60. Bermuda and Ireland round out the top 5 with $132,961.80 and $106,818.90 respectively. That's the math nobody shows you. Thanks for joining us on the numbers. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts and figures.